We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this ancient, possibly pre-Roman, pastoral annual festival. There are two different ways of saying it in English, either as Lupercalia, Lupercalia, with an emphasis on the K syllable. The other way is to say as Lupercalia, Lupercalia. This is more the American English pronunciation as Lupercalia, otherwise Lupercalia. Did you get this? Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names and words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.